We really don't have room for a pony. But you never know what might happen if you appeal to an authority higher than Santa Claus. I said, Mom, what should I do? Oh, I get it. I should pray for a pony. She said, yes, son. But remember, when you pray, you don't always get what you want. But you do always get what you need. I said, Mom, that is awesome. Because I really need a pony. So boy, did I start into praying. Just a few days before Christmas, my mom said, you know, we're going down to Grandpa's over in Rockwall, Texas this year. That was back when Rockwall, Texas was a farming community way out in the middle of nowhere. It's just a part of Dallas now. My grandpa, who's really my dad's stepdad, was a man who cut out the steps. As far as he was concerned, and planted me right in that saddle. And then he picked up my little brother and put me right behind. Now, we'd had some experience riding horses because of my uncle, who was a veterinarian. He kept a lot of horses around over in Monday, Texas. But the minute that we hit that saddle, my little brother was no longer Mark Douglas Murphy. And I was no longer Michael Martin Murphy. We were Texas Rangers. Inspired by having a horse, we were going to ride off across Texas and right all the wrongs and solve all the injustices of our beloved state.